shower faucet, valve leaks. This is the Deltas. I think it's 20 years since it's installed, so 20 years is pretty good. So there's a screw here, need to remove in order to remove the plate. And this is cold, and this is hot, and the arrow points to the left. And there's a second screw to remove the cover plate. Because the handles gets in the way, is this thing removable? Because there's supposed to be a Allen wrench that can access to this. I think this is the handle need to be removed. The cap here, because I don't see any Allen wrench access from the top or the bottom.